ज़िंदगी कसम से सिगरेट भी मेरे पे मर जाता है। रोज़ मैं मरता हूँ कसम से। अगर आपको देखा जाए ना, अगर आप सुना जाए, अगर जो सुन रहे हैं ना, मेरा ज़िंदगी नहीं कसम से कुत्ते की तरह जैसे है। कुत्ते का भी अच्छा है कसम से। मैं एक पानी के लिए भी तरसता हूँ।
Samiullah was diagnosed with polio 15 years ago. 2 years later, his younger sister was 2. In a country where polio is still an endemic viral infection, Sami and his sister have little hope. They say their mother is the only person who gives them a reason to live.
मेरी ज़िंदगी जो है ना, अम्मी से जुड़ा हुआ है। मेरे पाँव मेरा हाथ दोनों अम्मी है। अम्मी मेरे को सुलाता है, अम्मी मेरे को उठाता है, अम्मी मेरा डाक छोटा, डाक बड़ा, डाक छोटा, टट्टी बड़ा, टट्टी, वो सब मेरा अम्मी करती है। और बिस्तर भी सुलाती है मेरे को। कसम नन्ना मुन्ना बचा नहीं, नन्ना मुन्ना कसम ऐसे लोगों को ऐसे मेरे को सुलाती है।
Sami has 4 brothers. They don't like talking to or even just laying eyes on him. To them, Sami and his sister are a burden.
वो द्वार वरुणा वर्ता भाई वो दापु बेगा दाबला मरता भाई वाई ताज दे खुदाई और फंदी की ताज दे खुदाई मुड़ की लगाड़ो बमुनी सब मुड़ बम कम ما تجي تصوص خبر هذا يورد في ضغط بمونس ما باك على فيه زنو صبر خطأ تكوم سيكون كل شيء ما دعا فيكم ده يأتي خبز
अकेला इस कैमरे में पड़ा था कोई भी नहीं था। बस ये बात ही मैंने ज़हन में है। दोबारा आया ना, जब उसने मेरे को कहा कि आपको शूट कर दूंगा, ऐसा कर दूंगा, आपको मार डालूंगा, आपको बार फेंकूंगा, आप भीख मांगो, ऐसा करो वैसा करो, इधर जाओ उधर जाओ, आपकी जैसी माजूर भीख मांगती है, सड़कों पे पड़ा रहती है।
There are thousands of cases similar to Sami's, as Pakistan remains one of only 2 countries in the world where polio is endemic as of 2016. The other one is its neighbor, Afghanistan. In 2015, there were 38 documented cases of wild polio virus in Pakistan. Severe poverty, unhygienic living conditions, and limited access to clean drinking water have added to the spread of the virus. In many impoverished areas of Balochistan, people still rely on an open sewerage system which attracts diseases. Pakistan had the world's highest number of polio cases in 2014, and the number could be higher if not for people like Dr. Masood Khan Jogizai. He's on a mission to eradicate polio from his home province.
When National Emergency Action Plan for Polio Eradication Initiative was launched in 2011, that year we had 73 confirmed wild polio virus cases in Balochistan, and mostly from Quetta, Pishin and Qila Abdullah, and then it spreads to the other districts of Balochistan as well. Around 14 infected districts we had. We have also started in 4 union councils of Pishin, which is called a CCPV, Continuous Community Protected Vaccination Drive in 4 union councils of Pishin, where the community health volunteers they go door-to-door campaign, and this is a very successful strategy.
Apart from employing community volunteers, the local administration has set up areas for vaccinating children at various crossroads linking different districts of Balochistan.
This is the permanent transit point in the district of Pishin, about 40 kilometers away from the city of Quetta. Nearly 400 to 500 children are vaccinated at this transit point every single day.
Cars and buses are stopped. Children are vaccinated and their fingers marked. The practice has been going on for 4 years, supported by law enforcement agencies. But it operates in the face of danger. Militant attacks on polio teams claimed by the Taliban are common.
They think that it's something fishy business is carried out by the international organization and with support of the government, and that's why they resented it, and sometimes they find soft target of the security personnel. They think that each polio worker is accompanied by the law enforcing agency, so it's a soft target for them to take revenge from the law enforcing agencies, from the government.
Polio health workers and security personnel have been targeted by militant attacks in the recent past, and therefore strict security measures have been taken. The polio workers will be accompanied by at least 2 security personnel in today's drive.
But despite security arrangements, health workers are mindful that threats are always imminent.
खौफ तो है लेकिन बहुत ज़्यादा, लेकिन जब हम हेल्थ वर्कर हैं तो हमारी तो ड्यूटी हमने तो करना है लाजमी। जो वॉलंटियर है वो काफ़ी छोड़ के चली गई हैं, जो पुरानी थी, जो उनके फिर घरों से भी इजाज़त नहीं है। जब ये हुआ हमारी हेल्थ वर्करों पे हुआ है ना, उनको तो मार दिया बकायदा हेल्थ वर्कर को फायरिंग करके। मेरा बेटा खुद कहता है कि आप मत जाओ मम्मी, खैर है पोलियो क्या करना, लाजमी तो नहीं है, लेकिन फिर हम कहते हैं कि नहीं हमारा फ़र्ज़ भी है, हमने काम भी करना है, ज़ाहिर हर बच्चे को पोलियो से बचाना।
They also face challenges dealing with a culture that views vaccinations negatively.
This is supposed to be the most difficult part of the world regarding polio eradication, a very tough area to work. People are not so cooperative here.
In a largely conservative society, women are not allowed to leave their homes without a male member. A headache for the local administration, as male medical officers could not enter homes to vaccinate children.
This was the biggest challenge for me in Pashin, to aware them, to convince them to go out for polio as a team member. And alhamdulillah, I have been so successful in this regard. When I started my first campaign, there was only 15% ratio of female participation in campaign. Today, alhamdulillah, I have 60% female participation.
And then there are those who refuse to have their children vaccinated despite the threat of lifelong paralysis.
लोगों ने कहा था कि इसका कोई मतलब ये नस्ल ख़त्म कर रहा है और पैदाइशी मतलब ये जो खतरे फैला रहे हैं ये जो है ना सही नहीं है। तो इस वजह से हम लोगों ने बोला भाई अल्फ़ा को देना ही नहीं चाहिए। फिर मैंने और भाई ने भी कहा था कि ये चीज़ें जो है ना सही नहीं है जो आप दे रहे हैं खतरा वगैरह। कुछ लोगों ने शिकायत भी की थी, तो इस वजह से हम लोगों ने बोला भाई अल्फ़ा देना ही नहीं है।
In 2011, the US Central Intelligence Agency employed the services of a Pakistani doctor, Shakil Afridi, and local health officials to stage a fake vaccination campaign in an effort to confirm Osama bin Laden's location in the Pakistani city of Abbottabad. The CIA wanted to collect DNA samples of Osama bin Laden's children. Years later, the fake vaccination's effects could still be felt across Pakistan. Many people view vaccinations with suspicion and distrust.
People have been told that it's a conspiracy or stuff like that, told by their scholars, their local religious persons, that this is not religiously allowed. One of the reasons is religious, and that religious refusals are the most chronic ones. It's really hard to cover them. It's really hard to convince them, to mobilize them, to motivate them.
But Sami hopes the mindset would change and that children would have a life he couldn't have.
अगर मैं नॉर्मल होता, ठीक ठाक होता, तो मैं इधर सब लोगों के लिए ये तालीम का ये पोलियो का ये पोलियो लोगों पहले तो लोगों को ये यकीन दिलाता कि कोई भी अगर कहे कि पोलियो ऐसा है वैसा है या ऐसा है ना, ये गलत काम है आप लोगों का गलत फैमिली है। उसके बारे में ये कहते हैं पोलियो जो है ना, ये लोग कहते हैं हमारे मोहल्ले वाले वो बेईमान हो गए, उसका ईमान नहीं होगा, ऐसा होगा ऐसा होगा, वो इस्लाम को नहीं समझेगा, इस्लाम को अच्छी तरीके से नहीं हैंडल कर सकेगा, इस्लाम को बुरा कहेगा कि ऐसा है वैसा है ना।
In more troubled areas where people refuse vaccines on religious grounds, like in Afghan refugee camps, the administration mobilized local influencers and religious scholars.
چې باید پولیو څاڅکي و ماشومان ته ورکول سي، ځکه دا د مختلفو ناروغیو د مخنیوي سبب ګرځي. مثلا فلج دی په انسان باندې چې کوم فلج راځي، دا فلج که چیرې دغه پولیو ورکول سي ماشوم ته.
Deputy Commissioner of Quetta has made a refusal committee. They visit the houses on the behalf of the administration. They try to convince them But even if still they are refusing, then the basic utility has been disconnected for a day or two, so that these people know the intensity of the polio eradication initiative.
Dr. Masood says their methods have led to a decrease in the number of people who refuse to be vaccinated.
Final the data tell us that the number of refusals are just in few thousands, and the total number of the target children in Balochistan are 2.3 to 2.4 million. So the refusal are just 10,000, 15,000 at the end of the campaign.
But another challenge for health workers is the movement of people between Pakistan and Afghanistan.
This is the Pak-Afghan border at the city of Chaman, and at least 25,000 people cross the border every single day. And experts say that this movement affects the polio campaign significantly, because already in 2016, at least 5 polio cases have been reported in Afghanistan.
In early 2016, Pakistan announced a target of eradicating polio by the end of the year, a goal that now seems unlikely.
पहले हम ये समझ रहे थे कि शायद ये हमारा लास्ट कैंपेन होगा, ये मई 2016 का, लेकिन अभी 2-3 दिन पहले हमारे चीफ सेक्रेटरी के साथ मीटिंग थी, उसमें हमें बताया गया कि 2017 का भी प्लान आ गया, शेड्यूल आ गया. इट मीन्स कि एक तवील सिलसिला है. जब तक हम पूरे कौम को इस अज़ाब इलाही से निजात नहीं दिलाएंगे, ये कंफर्म नहीं होगा और WHO डिक्लेयर नहीं करेगी कि अब ये पोलियो फ्री जोन डिक्लेयर हुआ, तब तक मेरे ख्याल से ये सिलसिला चलता रहेगा.
Samiullah faces a lifelong disability, but his sister and mother give him strength. As he endures his condition, he hopes more parents across Pakistan would be open to having their children vaccinated and kept away from a life of hardship and misery.